Remember the juniper seeds we put in 2 months ago? Well, I put them out the fridge today. As you can see, there's loads of mould, but then I found this in the middle, one little germinated seedling. So I'm going to plant it up today and make sure there's no others in there. They're actually due to come out today, so they'll go somewhere warm. Hopefully they'll start growing up. Out of all the ones I put in, there are about 7 at the moment, but I think the rest will germinate. They've got lovely healthy roots on. I've got 5 here just to show you the roots, and then I've got a little pot here where I've potted a few on, so hopefully we'll see some leaves in a few days. So here are the Japanese Quince. They have got quite big, some of them up this end got really big, and we're actually selling the seedlings now. We don't usually grow them on too far for plants because we don't have as much room, so we're actually selling these guys now. I'll probably hold on to some of the bigger ones, maybe do a bonsai video on them because they make a beautiful bonsai. They go quite woody quite quickly and they have quite a sweet little flower to them. So yeah, apart from putting them in the fridge the first few weeks, they've germinated really well. I'd say we had a near perfect germination rate there. I put quite a lot in. So if you're happy to wait for the seeds to go in the fridge, you can get a really good crop of these guys. And you know, I'm going to put them on in a few weeks, and once they go twiggy, you can start considering their shape of bonsai. Really easy and nice to grow. And to be fair,